I'm looking all different kinds of shades in this video, it's because I don't know how to use this light, yo. I got a new ring light and I don't know how to, the settings. I mean, sometimes in this video I'm gonna be looking like this, and then sometimes you're not gonna be able to see me like this. It's not the foundation, okay? Stay tuned. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Laurina. Today we're going to be reviewing the golden Estee Lauder Double Wear Foundation. Like, freaking finally. I've had this for months now, but I don't know why I haven't gotten through to reviewing this. So in today's video, why am I getting stuck? In today's video I'll be giving you my impressions and a full review on this foundation, so stay tuned. So how I want to structure this review is that I want to do like what's it called, application review. So I'm going to go into the application review now. Okay, so we are going to be putting on the Double Wear. I probably said this in the intro already. I actually don't know how I'm going to edit this video, but we're putting on the Estee Lauder Double Wear Stay in Place Makeup Ton Longue Tenue Intransferable. Intransferable. For the French speaking people, tell me if I pronounced that right. I did do French for 9 years, so I hope something came out of it. So as I probably mentioned in the intro already, it has SPF 10, which is something I tend to worry about when it comes to foundations, especially after having watched Wayne Goss's video, where he spoke about like the whole SPF thing is really just, it's there for show. Okay, it's not going to replace your actual sunscreen or whatever. And then I worry sometimes that if a foundation has SPF, then it has like that flashback thing. You know how some sunscreens leave your skin looking a bit interesting. But luckily with this one, as you guys will see, it doesn't give you that interesting look. So let me actually just read what the claims are on the internet so that we can see and tick off whether this foundation does do what it says it does. So I use the color 6W2 Nutmeg, just like as a reference or whatever. So yeah, let's see what they say about the foundation. So the claims on esteelauder.co.za say that proven 24-hour staying power, the same long wear makeup you love, now proven to last even longer. Looks flawless and natural, feels lightweight and so comfortable you won't believe it's super long wear. Won't change color, smudge or come off on clothes. Lasts through heat and humidity. So those are the claims that this foundation has. Let me just put it on for you guys so that I can describe to you the application, and then we can discuss whether these claims are true. So I have used this foundation before multiple times, so this is not a first impression. This is definitely like a deep review, okay? So I'm gonna be using my dirty Real Techniques brush, expert face brush. Like it, don't judge me, okay? But yeah, I like using brushes with my foundation. So yeah, I can't find any other brush here. Let me see if I have another clean one. Okay, so this seems cleaner, but it's broken. But who cares? Because the part that matters is this part, right? Okay, so one thing I do not like about this foundation, you guys, I can't deal. yeah, this is, well, see, the thing is, right, with putting foundation on the back of your hand, can I say this is one application or is it two? Because now I pretty much know what I need to put on my hand in order to like get the coverage that I want, but I can't necessarily say this is like, I don't know, it's just complicated, okay? But all I know is this foundation is buildable, and you guys know I love full coverage foundation, so that is a plus for me. So it is lightweight. It definitely is lightweight. I have to agree with that. You cannot feel, especially with the amount that I've put on, obviously if you build more on this and you need more coverage or want more coverage, you will be able to feel that there's something on your face. But right now I cannot feel that I have like heavy makeup on my face, but it's also still doing the job of being very full coverage. Like I have pigmentation, hyperpigmentation on my cheeks here from like pimples during what do you call it, puberty. So yeah, I managed to get rid of that with just this one layer that I've put on, because I want my makeup look to be extremely simple today. I mean, this is my eye, like there is, I might decide to put some on my eye, but you know, I have really simple lashes today, and I really want to go for like a natural look. It's more about the foundation today than anything else, so I think this is enough of a layer of foundation. So it does feel lightweight. Like I said, it's got a matte finish, like yeah, it's got matte. I feel like the light is giving me a lot of glow. It's got like that winter glow thing, you know, not a summer glow, not like a dewiness. It's got like a winter satin matte, I don't know. It's in between those two, but it's not like, yeah, as a person with oily skin, I really like the finish. So it's not, you know, it's not oily. And also, okay, I will speak about how long the foundation lasts and all of that after I finish the rest of my makeup, but I just wanted to let you guys know how it feels when you immediately put it on and what the finish is like. But otherwise, I will finish off the rest of my makeup and I'll be back in a jiffy. This is television. Well, it's YouTube. This is YouTube. So I will change my face now. Oh my goodness. Is my battery flashing right now? Like, are you serious? Okay, so that was my opinion on how the foundation feels when you first put it on. Now I'm gonna give you guys a full review on how it wears, coverage and all of that. So as you guys can see, it does have medium buildable coverage. To me, this is full coverage, and I guess that's all dependent on your skin type, what your skincare routine is. Maybe you might have more that you need to cover than others, but for me, I would say this is definitely a full coverage foundation. It does have a matte to semi-matte feel, but it doesn't, like I said in my application review, I think we're gonna call it, that it doesn't feel cakey at all. Even now, after I've put on powder and setting spray, it does not feel like I have too much on my face. It is skin-like, so it gives you that natural, like I said, that's the medium. So if you want a natural look, you can achieve it according to how much you put on your face. And then if you obviously want like drama, darling, you're gonna, shh, why is my phone always doing this to me? Okay, so I was saying before I was really interrupted. So I have used this foundation before, like multiple times, and I can attest to the fact that it does last a long time. Because I wanted to test out the foundation properly, and I think I filmed the videos, but I'm not going to include them here. I'm just going to give you my opinion. I did do wear tests where I did not put any primer on my skin. Like today I didn't put any primer actually, and I didn't use setting spray. So it does last whether you use primer, setting spray, all of that. So you are definitely guaranteed that this is going to be something that does not budge, does not move. Another thing I love about this foundation is transfer. Guys, I am sick and tired of hugging y'all and leaving my foundation stains on your tops. Like, I'm gonna seem rude at some point in time because I don't want to hug people. But you know that feeling where you hug somebody, you move back and you're like, okay, let me run away before they figure this out. But yeah, it does not transfer. Like, its transferability is impressive. Like, it's really, really good. Price point, because you're probably wondering at this point, okay girl, that's all good, but you know, tell us how much bank. I bought mine for, oh, my phone, it's always doing breathe. I I bought mine for 585 Rand at Edgar, so it's definitely a high-end foundation, but it is so worth the buck. It comes in, I think this is 30 mils. Yes, so it is a 30 ml bottle. I love the packaging. I'm in love with it. It is so elegant. It is so Estee Lauder. It's just, it gives me life. What else is there to review? So the wearability is fantastic. It feels lightweight, full coverage, price point, and yeah, that is actually everything that I have to say about this foundation. I'm loving it, and it comes in 34 shades, so it does cover a wide range of colors. This is not the darkest. I know there are some brands where I'm not even like I'm not involved in the conversation. But luckily with this one, everybody is involved in this conversation. It does come in a wide range of shades. It is 34. Hey, let me just double check before I confirm. My bad. Looks like it's 40 shades from what I'm counting over here online on the Estee Lauder site. The same long wear makeup you love, now proven to last longer. Definitely. Looks flawless and natural. Yes. Feels lightweight and so comfortable. You won't believe it's super long wear. Hi boo, if my phone could just stop. You won't change color. Yes. Okay, so oxidization, we all know that feeling where you wear the foundation, you get out there and you're looking like you just burnt in the sun, like just like ashy. This does not do that. So this is true to color. So if you put this foundation on, that's it. Like, you don't need to worry about it oxidizing, a change in color, you looking ashy throughout the day, like, or during the day or whatever. So that's another thing that I felt I need to mention. Thank you for reminding me, website. Smudge or won't change color, smudge or come off clothes. And lasts through heat and humidity. So like I said, I've had this foundation for months. It's gone through literally the most summer days of PE to the most coldest days here now. Like, first of all, before I continue, am I the only one who feels like we've skipped autumn? Like, look at, I'm wearing long sleeve and we are in, what are we in? April. Like, okay, but anyway, basically it's a summer, winter, everything, all of it. Benefits: 24-hour staying power. I've never really understood why we need 24-hour foundations, but then again, maybe I just don't have, you know, why am I hating on other people's lifestyles? Other people have, you know, lifestyles where they're out here jet setting for 24 hours, so maybe they need it. But all I can tell you is, however long my day is how long this makeup lasts usually. So I think the longest I've had this for is like 8 hours maybe. And yeah, so 8 hours for me is the maximum. So I can't attest to the 24-hour, but I can definitely say if you work a 9 to 5, you don't need to worry about touch-ups. Otherwise, you guys, yes, I don't want to make this video super long. I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know if you guys have tried out this foundation yet already before. And let me know your feelings on it. I would love to hear your opinions. Obviously this is just my opinion and my review and what I think of it. Let me know if there are things that you agree on and things that you disagree with regarding my thoughts on this foundation. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to share this video, and if you are new to this channel and you haven't subscribed, well, I guess it's your choice, but I mean, it's just kind of disrespectful to enter people's homes and whatever. But yeah, thank you guys.